tick. Be great. GU is also moving to the upside. We were talking about GJ, sorry. We were talking about the downside of GJ, but okay, you have a upside
Yeah.
trade as well.
Also,
Okay, I didn't
the
see
plan
that.
is for the upside.
I
I
didn't
would
see.
like better if it goes to the upside. I would like it better. Sorry guys, sorry. There was an internet problem, and it did disconnect, and YouTube had to restart it. Unfortunately. Yeah, let's see, let's see. I think GJ is going to be more difficult to push all the way up and break above, but can happen. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Just a matter of time. In fact, I would rather take GJ than GU, because GJ has a clean setup. Once it breaks this 50 pip range to the upside is going to be easy. But I wouldn't wait. EU. EJ also can break above. Yesterday can went all the way down. The 4 hour is this level. On the 1 hour we have another level which we waited for yesterday. So on the 1 hour we are like in between. But the 4 hour is clean. We'll see what happens. There's still time. Plenty of time. Yeah, GU is also very nice. GU is very nice. We're just gonna have to pick and choose. Pick and choose which one we want to take. GU is great, the GJ is great, EU is also good. Plenty of good setups are coming. USD CAD is pushing down. We'll see. Yes. Good range to the upside, and GU has no traffic. GU has no traffic on the left all the way up to fill that whole range to the upside. So it's gonna be good. It is gonna be very good. Oh, you're in GU already. Okay. Good luck. Actually, it looks like a break and retest of this zone. It's just that it did retest this zone plenty of times. So I wouldn't take a trade here. But Once we break this consolidation box, we're gonna have a good trade. Hopefully. We have another 20 minutes to break above, so there's still time.
It's moving pretty nice for now.
Nice push. Let's see GJ. GJ should go bullish now. Yes, very nice. We'll see. It's coming nicely. EU is also breaking. No, don't worry more than 2%. Day is long. The day is long, so you don't know what you might get.
You know the feeling when you calculate what you get with 2% and you calculate what would that be with 3%.
Yeah, I know, but no need to risk that much.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I stick with that. That would be 7 for me if I reach target, and then Monday maybe 1%, and then Tuesday hopefully I'll pass it before the last day.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe in Monday you get 2-3 trades, good trades.
Yeah. Otherwise, on the last day, you know, I'll just send you the password.
Yeah, and I'll pass it quickly. Good setups coming, guys. We just need to wait. Because GU is about to break. It's pretty close. We only have another 10 pip move that we need to do, or 15 maybe. Feel better. Just to close above, then we're gonna have a nice trade here. If GJ also does it, that would be even better. But I have a feeling that GJ, it's only gonna come around here, you know, close, very nice, bullish, but not closing above. The next candle is gonna push straight to the upside, which is a very possible thing that can happen. But we'll see. Hopefully, we do get a good break and retest. Hopefully. GU, GJ, and Euro US dollar. These three are currently on the list that we have good chances. GU is the closest with Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar is already pushing above. So we'll see. GU and EU are very close. And GJ is a little bit too far, but it might come. Who knows? GJ can be very volatile sometimes. So it has another almost 20 pips actually until the next zone. Then needs another 10 pip breakout. So a whole 30 pip move to the upside. It is a little bit hard maybe, but we'll see. We still have time. Like I said, 15 minutes left. GJ can come all the way up here, then maybe just close below, and then we don't get a chance to enter. The next candle pushes all the way up, but GU can give us a setup, because in that case GU gonna break above 2 and it is much more closer.
The thing with GU is sometimes I just want to enter before any confirmation. Um, but if I stay patient, this is in a consolidation box. So if it breaks up, I can take the trade. And if it's not breaking up, if it's breaking down, I can take the trade. It will go either side. So it has to go one side. It can't go sideways. It has to go up or down. So that's why I stay patient because my fingers, they kind of want to take a trade.
No, no. I mean, I would understand if you would take a trade here, but taking a trade in the middle makes zero sense. You're exactly in the middle of the consolidation. You can get stuck in between for hours, maybe. But if you take a trade here, I would, okay, you're about support. But here, you're buying nothing. You're just in the middle of support and a resistance. So you might just get stuck. So
Yeah.
the best is just to wait for a break above or to the downside. I mean, we're lucky that there's only two directions. We're lucky because either one of them is going to happen. If price is not going to continue up and it's going to result in a fake off, means it's going to go to the downside. So it's
Yeah.
easy. It breaks above means we're going up because we broke a level. Gonna retest. Gonna continue up. So all we need is wait because every time if you wait for price to break, the chances are much higher than selling resistance or buying support. Immediately you have a way better chance of winning the trade. What confluence do you consider before you put a trade? A breakout, that's all. USD CAD shorts, yeah, USD CAD can be good, but we're gonna need to break below this. We need to break below this. Once we break below this, we can continue to this next zone. It's a good range, not bad. Almost 30 pips. Can't complain on this zone. It's pretty good. Almost 30 pips. Yeah, we have some good setups coming, but uh, not a good sign that GU is not moving because we only have 12 minutes left, and these 12 minutes we need to push above. At least we need to push now that we can make a 10 pips breakout. UJ, I didn't even look at UJ because UJ usually is doing nothing. It's consolidating. Wow, UJ is in the middle of nowhere. You can't find anything on the left. I think UJ broke that. Where's Erman? Is Erman here? We broke this major weekly level, I think, that we had here. Looks like we did, but there was no retest. Erman, where are you? UJ broke the weekly support. There's a free range all the way to the downside. UJ is gonna melt. March level, well, I think we don't really need to go that far. I mean, we just need to focus on what price is doing right now and wait for some consolidation. Actually, UJ has created a small consolidation, but I would like to see more rejections. The bigger is the rejection, the bigger is the consolidation box, the better the move's gonna be after the breakout. Yeah, gold's gonna smash this level and continue all the way up. It's the same as GU, almost same as GU. Just a matter of time. Well, let's go GU, let's go. 9 minutes left. We need a 15 pip move to the upside so we break above this. It's a matter of time. Isn't it too risky to take GBPUSD since at a daily level? Yeah, but we are waiting for a break of that daily level. We're gonna take the breakout of that daily level on the 1 hour, because it's the same level as on the 1 hour as on the daily. We talked about CAD JPY. It is coming from a daily zone. Like I said before, look at the daily. This is a serious strong support, but it can still continue to the downside. I mean, based on the 4 hour or how the candles are forming, we can see easily a continuation, some continuation of filling this wick on the left. We have plenty of rejections, so it would make sense to continue down. But the only thing is that we are coming from a strong support on the daily. Look at last time price came here. Look at the last time how big the move was every time price touched this zone, and look how big the move was price now that it touched the zone. So rejections are pretty big. We need to be careful. This zone is very strong, and it can break and retest can already result in a fake out. NZD US dollar, okay, it's pushing up. Let me see. Daily is breaking up. Wow, what a move on NZD US dollar. Actually, I'm gonna skip NZD US dollar. It's not a pair I like to trade regularly. It just doesn't seem very clear, and it seems like it already rejected to the upside. Like, what level are gonna wait on the 1 hour to break? I mean, this looks like it already did a break and retest. Also, this looks like it already did a break and retest. So, what else? We're gonna wait for the resistance around here, or I don't know. I would like more rejections like this would be perfect. I mean, but we would be at daily resistance, so I'm gonna skip SD US dollar for another time. I'm gonna skip this for another time. Let's see, GJ. Yeah, GJ is not gonna do anything in this hour. Probably on the next one, but right now we are still in this middle of this consolidation. GU is close, but not many hopes on it. It's not moving. We have another 5 minutes and needs to do a 15 pip move to the upside. And GU, if it closes like this, I'm not gonna take it because it's too small as a breakout. You know, like a close above this candle, like a good close like this, then we would take the retest. But right now it's not good. Like a close like this, then we would take the retest. And that thing is not happening right now. 4 minutes left, and in 4 minutes I don't know if we're gonna be able to do a move like this, to make a move like this. EJ, we'll see. EJ is like I said, look at the 1 hour. The 4 hour makes a lot of sense if it breaks above, because there's only a zone, and this is where most or all the 4 hour candles have closed. This is the zone where all the 4 hour candles have closed, but we have another 1 hour zone here. So if we break this zone, we're gonna have the next zone right above our head. So this is a 10 pip range. So if we're gonna wait for breakout here, it's probably gonna hit this zone first, then come for retest. But I would be very comfortable with that. So what I would do is I would wait for this resistance to break too. If price really gonna start to move to the upside, it needs to break both zones, right? So we need to break above 122.650 around there, then we can go for longs and continue to this next zone. So we need to break both levels. That way we would be safe to take a trade, but right now it's nothing yet. Favorite pair, GJ. Even though it doesn't give me too many setups every day, but it is pretty good. Whenever it gives us a setup, it's perfect.
Yeah, preparing for GU. It's right now, as Gabos, Lejek, I think.
Yeah, I see EN. I see EN did a good breaking retest. GU is pushing, but there's only 1 minute left. I hate when this happens. Look at this, look at this. It's just almost above. There's seconds left. Seconds left. Do I own any fancy cars? Why does that matter? Even though I do. But
Oh,
what does that matter? Yeah, B2?
sorry, but will you take GU? If it breaks out,
It's no. Let's be honest. It's a very weak breakout. I mean, we can continue up, but it's only 2 pips. It's risky, yeah. I'm not taking the risk right now. I'm staying away. I'd rather wait for GJ to break after the next hour, because I mean we can easily continue up, but look, the breakout is not good. This is what I was talking about, that at the end of the hour it just pushes a little above, then we get no trade because the breakout is weak. I mean, we don't have any top wick. Price is gonna push up, but we don't have a good close, unfortunately.
Good morning. Do you want?
Why it's pushing at the end of the hour? Because that's what it does most of the time. It's one of the ways that price moves. Bay2.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, it's bullish. Structure is bullish. I mean, it closed pretty nice, but it's. I was uh, I was saying that it's gonna fly, but unfortunately, we don't have a good breakout. We can't go against the rules. We need a better breakout. I mean, if we would have at least 5 pip breakout, I would say okay, we'll take it. But have a nice weekend, man. Have a nice weekend. See you on the weekend.
Man, I really want to take it.
No, don't rush it because we have a GJ still. If GBP is gonna push up, GJ is gonna break after, and we have a clean setup. But GU is not very clean. It can come deeper maybe in the zone. Look, one of the things that can happen here. Let me show you what I mean. This candle might come a little deeper around here. And then the next one, if the next one after this pushes all the way up, then we can take the pullback after this candle here, and then we can continue all the way up. That way we would be way more safe and would take the trade. But right now, just look at the breakout. It's too weak. I know that we have good momentum. Even if it's a weak breakout, we can still continue, but we need to follow our rules. Because in another case, this maybe wouldn't continue to the upside, would go all the way down, resulting in a fake out. So we need to be aware and wait. Wait, because we can still have another setup, which can be GJ. Euro USD is the same thing. It can still continue to the upside, but the breakout was not good. Breakout was not good, and we can also have 4-hour breakouts later on. Waiting and waiting. GJ is gonna be good. Look at GJ, how it's forming now. If it goes above the previous 4-hour candle, we're breaking up. We are breaking up if it goes above the previous 4-hour candle. We need a 1-hour good close above this. We're getting closer and closer. We need a close just above 136.160 or 200. So a close at 136.250 would be pretty good. We could enter at 200, and this will push all the way up. Hopefully we get a good close. Geo shows reverse on RSI. No idea what that is. I know what that is, but I don't use it. Hello from India. Thank you for your information. Thank you too for coming here. Welcome. Take a look at the 4-hour at list level. Yes. What's about 4-hour? 4-hour here. Yes. Zoom out. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna play a big role. This here. I think you're talking about that. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah, that's gonna be probably our target. Yeah, we'll see. I think if we go above 136.200, we're still gonna have good chance of continuation. It looks like there's gonna be a small range, but 1 hour looks clean, and I think we should respect that level if we break it. We'll see. We'll see how it forms. I just if you look what's happening right now, how all these candles are rejecting, what level are rejecting, how this resistance has formed, how did this level got respected every time. Look at these candles, they didn't react at any other zone, but they reacted at this zone, and in the last few days we are rejecting this zone. We have created a new zone, and we're gonna wait for break and retest of this zone. Not gonna look too far because GJ has too many levels. Most of the time GJ has too many levels, and looking all the way back, we're gonna find levels every 10 pips. So in this case, better focus on what we have right now. UJ is out of the list. UJ is out of the list because it is a very slow pair. Waiting and waiting. GJ is going to be the main trade for today, and it can easily give us 1% today. Easily. We just need that breakout. There's still time, of course, but whenever it comes, it's going to be a good chance. Beto, where are you? Why did you take buys on GU?
What, bro?
Why did you take buys on GU? I can see you.
No, bro. I'm preparing breakfast for my mother.
Just kidding. Stay disciplined, okay?
Yeah, I really want to, but look at EU,
No, no, no.
whatever.
Prepare your
We can,
breakfast, and when you come, you're gonna have GJ ready.
yeah, I think we will get a good trade on GJ. Man, I have my socks on, I wear them. But we have to win today.
Okay, we'll win with GJ. I just hope it doesn't go too far and leaves out without nothing. EU2, yes, EU2. A lot of setups coming up. Lots of them. AUD JPY also is pushing up. Probably gonna break above 75.400. Good close above. We can take a retest. Yeah, don't worry. Today it's gonna be a good day. Today it's gonna be a good day. CAD JPY is resulting to be a fake out. If this is going to be a fake out, you guys have a great lesson to learn here for the next times. But we'll see. In order to be a fake out, you need to close back in the range. Friends, UJ is doing nothing. It's still in this consolidation. So skip UJ because it's not a good pair right now. Yeah, EURUSD is a good break and retest setup coming up, but we are waiting for a good close. We are waiting for a breakout. Let's do it like this. Let's put it like this. Waiting for a good close above this consolidation box. My daily profit is 100K. Risk reward 1 to 1, 1 to 2 depends on the setup. You can check the previous webinars and take a look at them. We leave runners most of the time, so sometimes they go at 100 pips. How long are you trading? Since 2016. Since 2016. Maybe I started even earlier than that. But from what I remember, since 2016. No, guys, I didn't take any trades yet. I didn't take any trades yet. Otherwise, you would know if you are regular here. If you're not regular, kindly go and watch some previous webinars so you get an idea of what we do here. The best. That is the best thing. You get an idea what we do here, what we don't do, what we focus on. Then you are ready and easy to trade. You are ready to trade with us. Look at GU. It's dropping. No way, GU. What are you doing? Imagine if it happens like I said. That would be epic. Erman, I can spot you easily that you talk with the Google Translate because you send the both messages right away, like at the same time. Yeah, we have to be careful with UJ. We don't even trade UJ most of the time, so not really worried about UJ right now.
Google doesn't translate like this. Google doesn't translate like this.
AUD CAD, AUD CAD. What about AUD CAD? What's happening there? It's nothing. Erman, nothing, man. Don't worry about it. Keep doing what you're doing. Great work. Oh, you took the bread. Enjoy the bread. Look, like I said about gold. See how it's rejecting? If gold pushes above this, then you might have more continuation. Talked about gold earlier, but like I said before, daily looks like already did that retest that I talked about, but it didn't come quite where I would like, for example, to make that retest. But see, once it turns bullish, it's gonna break this 1 hour zone too, and turning bullish means that it's gonna push all the way up. There's no much of traffic on the left, so it's a free ride for gold to the upside. Bullish bias. Also, Biden winning means gold's gonna push, so we'll see. As a good 1 hour breakout, I consider a 10 pips breakout on strong, on volatile pairs like GBP, on pairs that are slow like USDCAD, EJ, these kind of pairs. I use even a 5-6 pips breakout would be still good. And against all odds, we'll see Trump win and thousands of accounts will be wiped. Well, anything can happen. Anything can happen, so we'll see. I mean, I didn't really expect Biden to win, but who knows? Anything can happen. We'll see who wins soon, but this thing is gonna last forever, maybe. Herman, teach me Italian. Ciao ragazzi. Ciao ragazzi. Okay. I want to go to Italy soon, but this COVID thing is getting boring. Yeah, you're never too old to speak, to learn a language or anything. Never too late, never too old. Never too old, never too young, never too anything. My father says the same thing. I'm too old to learn English. I'm too old to learn that. But you're never too old. Never too handsome, very true. Never too handsome, never too rich. You can never be too rich also. There's always more and more and more. Let's see what's gonna happen with GU. GU is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. See what's GJ doing. Yeah, GJ got rejected once again. How much did I start trading with? Well, I wasn't since day one profitable, so I started with 200, then deposited more, lost some, won some, etc. etc. You can't define how much I started with, but you need a good account to start with. When you see yourself that you're getting profitable, you have a good way to trade, you need good balance also, so you're ready to go to do business, to do big business. Depends. I can't say 100k because not everyone has 100k. I can't say 1k because not everyone has 1k. Someone has maybe only $100. Depends. You only have 1,000, okay? Start with 1,000. What mouse? Really forgot the name. It says Tiger 2.
I'm back, brother. Wow, look at the retracement.
See, Beto, you need to be patient. Wait for a good breakout, then you wouldn't. You see, you would be worried in this at this point because you would be in 13 pip drawdown.
Yeah, I mean, if we can get a breakout in the next hour from EURUSD or GU, that would be very nice.
Yeah, we'll see. We're having rejection on all of them. GJ got rejected all the way back, but we still have a lot of time. See, 35 minutes is a lot. In 35 minutes, we can have big moves. Who knows? Waiting and waiting patiently. It's Friday, so there's we have to be careful and we have to be patient. And until a good trade comes, I'm gonna stay away and watch. The fun is here, so now I'm gonna have fun because fun is here. Look at EJ, how it got rejected. EJ got rejected. Yeah, now we're gonna win for sure, of course. Give us a signal. Let's go.
Full margin on signals. Let's go.
I don't use any pair to correlate with the EU because there's no need to use correlation. There's no need to use correlation. Yes, GJ buys about 136.250, 200, yeah, same. Just waiting for that. Looks perfect. Waiting. We're still in this consolidation right now. Still time.
There's also NFP.
Yeah. NFP, there's a lot of time till NFP. Hours and hours and hours.
Chad, you don't regularly trade your NFP, right?
I don't trade NFP at all most of the time.
Oh.
I don't know last time when I did trade NFP.
Yeah, I just remember that we had a NFP stream one day, but we didn't take any trade on it.
Yeah, on NFP I used to trade USD CAD because there's also CAD news that day, and USD CAD moves a lot, but lately it hasn't been moving that much. Let's take a look here. How much you think with $1,000 be risking? 1%, easy. Easy 1%. Some GBP news, low impact, nothing much. See, you have the unemployment rate on CAD too. You have a speech also, so plenty of CAD news today, along with NFP. So it's gonna be
Turkish treasury bonds.
massive. I used to trade USD CAD because people on the group know also. We used to catch some nice moves. USD CAD moves most of the time in one direction, so buy stops and sell stops can really work out. One time we had like a 50 pip move to the upside, even though we got slipped a bit for like 10-15 pips. We still got another 30 pips, or I don't know, I forgot because it was months ago. But yeah, we'll see. Lately it hasn't been moving that much. About volatility indexes, I don't know. I don't trade them, so I don't have much information on them. I used to trade indexes like DAX 30, or how it's called. US 30, not that much, but I used to trade DAX index. No, how it's called? German 30. Yeah, so I used to I used to trade this. The thing is, guys, took a big loss on this a few years ago on DAX. Took a big loss. You know, I used to make a lot of money with it, and one day took a big account for me. And it was in the beginning. It was in the first year, I think. It was the first year I used to trade this. And that was the biggest mistake I did here was trading tops and bottoms. Was trading tops and bottoms. And that's why I don't recommend anyone, because I've done the mistake by myself and I don't want to see anyone do the same mistake. I took sales, I don't know what the price was because it was 3 years ago, and it was at the highest point, and there was no history back above. Let's say this was the highest that price came ever, and let's say I sold here. What happened is price created a new all-time high. When price creates a new all-time high, where do you put your stop loss? You don't know, because you have zero history above that level and you don't know how far it's gonna come. So imagine, even I was using good risk management, I was not a full margin, but once it created that new high, there was no stopping anymore. It just went on and on and on. And I couldn't find any information why price is pushing or anything like that. It was so hard, I literally couldn't find anything related to it, and I had no idea when to stop it. But it was stupid because I could take a small loss and move on. But I was trading with hopes, and when we trade with hopes, you're just holding positions until God knows when it comes back. So it might never come back at that point. So price just went on and on and on to the upside, bullish after bullish, candles after candles, all the way bullish until it burned my account. And I took a big lesson, and since then I don't trade indexes anymore because I've said before, you need a lot of information about them. It's not just about technicals or break and retests on them. And that was around 3 years ago in the beginning when I was trading. Since then, I don't trade them anymore.
There was also a time that I remember that when I started to trade, like 5 months ago or something, everyone was trading US
30.
30, yeah. Everyone was like US 30 is the thing. And then I watched US 30 and it moved so crazy. I think more people lost on US 30 than they won. But if they won, they are celebrating it like they won the lottery, you know? I think that was the
Yeah.
thing why everyone was like, yeah, I want to trade US 30 as well.
Same things happen still. Still, people are trading US 30 a lot. Yeah, especially on these, on some brokers.
Yeah. And also,
Some brokers. But yeah, thing is, they're too risky. You can also make a lot of money on it if you're lucky sometimes, but they're too risky and it's not worth it for me. I have plenty of other pairs that I can trade, so there's no need for me to risk my money on something that I don't have enough information on.
exactly same with gold, right? So many people got burned on gold. Just new starters, like people that just started to trade, they trade gold. And everyone that I know who knows a little bit about risk management always says, don't trade gold, don't trade gold, don't trade gold. You get burned because you're just a beginner.
Yeah, of course. I mean, you can trade gold with good risk at a certain stage of your trading career when you have a lot of experience on the market, but as a beginner, people want quick money. That's why they go straight to gold, because gold is the casino of forex. If you want quick money, you go to gold. If you want to lose quick money, you go to gold. So both sides, both things you can find on gold. And people, it's like a drug. They blow their account on gold. They come the next day, they trade gold again, even though they get disappointed by it every day. But yeah, unfortunately, we'll see if people one day is gonna understand that if you're a beginner, if you have a small account, avoid gold. Look how many other pairs that are less volatile. They move slowly, they move good, they give you enough. All these pairs, and they still go to gold because gold gives quick money. About crude oil, I don't think many people now trade crude oil. There was a time that it was very popular, crude oil, and people traded crude oil. But by the time I think spread is not that good on most of the brokers, not too many people are trading crude oil now. But we used to trade crude oil before, and then suddenly everyone stopped. I don't know why, but everyone is slowly realizing that it's better to stay with pairs that we have more information for them. We have a lot of information for GBP. Everything that happens in UK, we're gonna know, unless it's gonna be an unexpected tweet from Boris Johnson or who knows. But as far as we know, there are news that are scheduled, and we know when to expect a lot of volatility. We know when to stay away from the market. Morning. Today so far is a slow day.
Yeah.
No, I'm not trading NFP. I'm not trading NFP. EJ is pushing, yeah, I can see. I have the CTrader account on my right here. CTrader platform, which is very cool. Have you ever traded silver? Yes. Look, I've traded everything. Everything. I tried everything. Whatever you think of, I have traded gold, I have traded silver, I have traded crude oil, Bitcoin, Ripple, anything you name it, I've traded it. But it was in the past. It was all a lesson for me. You know, I had a sell on Bitcoin at 24K. No, what was it? Bitcoin. $25K. Bitcoin was never at 25K. I had a sell around almost at 20K, not 20K. When price was at the top, I had a sell around there, and of course I didn't held that, but I would make some big money. Had a sell around here, I remember, and it closed like $10. But after that, we got a big drop. No, didn't have there. All wrong. I never look at Bitcoin. I never been a fan of Bitcoin. Yeah, on this First time where price came all the way to almost 20k. Had a sell around here on the top, but I didn't hold, so it doesn't matter. Have some Ripple actually, but how much is now Ripple? No man, this is nothing. It was at $3 once upon a time. Once upon a time it was at $3, and it's been stuck here for a long time. Look at this. This was the hype when that big hype was. I even forgot what price I bought Ripple. Have no idea. I think 0.70 cents I bought. Stupid thing. Wow, look at EURUSD weekly. Man, this is great. This is great. Look, if weekly goes above the previous candle, we will fly to the upside. Remember, if this candle closes above, we are gonna fly all the way to 1.20150. Remember, if we push above this, that's gonna be a very good confirmation. We might even do today with NFP, even though it needs a lot of pips to move to that next zone. But remember, if weekly goes above the previous candle, it's going to be a massive move to the upside. I use Pepperstone, I use IC markets, so both. Yes.
On EuroCAD.
EuroCAD, yes. What about EuroCAD?
You like, where would you place your resistance? Would you say it's at like 1.548? Oh yeah, yeah, that's what I see as well. And
yeah, this is my zone on my resistance. Look at these rejections. That was the take profit target yesterday, but we didn't get that retest.
Do you think that we can take the trade when we break 1.548? Like 17 pips. But
I think I'm not gonna take any trades here on EuroCAD. Gonna skip because we have better setups, clean setups, and EuroCAD is not clean. I'll rather just wait for GJ all day long, because somehow we're gonna give us something during the day. Are you using Wickoff strategy, buying or selling pullbacks? No idea what that is. Have no idea what that is. We have we trade break and retest. Break and retest every single day. We wait for breakout to take the retests. Where are the moderators? Because they're not looking at this guy that's putting these signals here. Don't let him put all these signals. We're making too much money from it. Yeah, I am the break and retest trader. See, even my page is named breakandretest.com. So, you know, breakandretest.com. I mean, I own Break and Retest. What can I say? I bought the strategy. I license it. Fun Happens is a funny guy. I don't know. We're just virtual friends. Beitu, comment on YouTube so I can make you a moderator. Yeah, a patent.
Yeah, I sometimes go to the stream just to give a like, you know.
I need to go to Shark Tank and I'll tell them that I have a very nice strategy and I need one of them so we can license my strategy. So you buy or sell after the retest? When retest or after break? I don't understand question. Look guys, let's just go and watch some of the previous webinars and you can easily spot what we do. So you have great examples. You have real examples, real execution, everything. Just go and watch the previous webinars, like 3 last webinars or live streams. We've had a trade at least on all of them. So you have a good lesson there. You have good information and everything that we do. Tutorial on YouTube, no, but I have live streams on all of them. Most of them there's going to be a trade. There's going to be some where I have more than just one trade, sometimes 2, 3. No trades today yet. Best time, sir, best time frame, sir, is higher time frames. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Are you a 10 pip trader? Maybe I am, who knows? I'm a 20 pip trader. Are you 10 pip trader? Is this a thing now? A 10 pip trader? Where are you trading from? How do you mean? I'm trading from home. And I'm trading from Kosovo.
From Mars.
My trading journey was with ups and downs, but it was more bullish. You know, it made some retests on the way, but it was bullish, all the way bullish, and still going bullish, making a new high every day.
But when I look into my current results, the balance that you have, and you get this sheet, I see retests there as well. There are breakouts, retests, new highs, then it comes down to retest again. Currently, I'm at the new high, and I hope I will just fly and not retest any. I'm consolidating since days.
Fun, fun. My relationship was all the way bullish. There was no retest. I got engaged. I got married right away. There's no retest at all. We're just bullish. Just open a C trader account. Spread for GJ is about 6 pips. I don't know. Well, it depends on what account you have. We don't have the same accounts. No, my spread is very low actually. Take a look at the spread here. It is very small. A very small spread. Yes, we are live every single day. Look at the GJ spread. Look at Euro USD spread. You don't even see it. Spread also very good on IC markets. So you can look at GU. Look at the spread, it's so good. On GCAT is a little bit higher, but we don't really trade GCAT most of the time.
You come on, give us that clean breakout, please.
My mentor is no one. No one is my mentor.
Oh, Mr. Noah?
Experience is my mentor. Oh, I forgot, Mr. Sanders. Almost forgot Mr. Sanders. Highest profit in a day, who knows? Don't remember. 10K.
Like, for anyone who's interested in that, you can just go to Ted's Instagram, and then you also see like how you flip small accounts, everything. I think he highlighted that. You're a trader for 7 years, very nice. Pairs I trade are here on my right. We don't trade them all of them every time, but we choose which one gives us a better setup, and we trade that. Do I post often on Instagram? Yes, I do. I do post daily, maybe not daily, but
I mean, most of the time. Where is Jayam Patel? Patel. How does it spells? Jayan Patel. Where's Jayan Patel? Is Jayan Patel here? Will the NFP news affect the market today? Dennis, of course, man. Of course it affects the market. How long you've been trading? Because you should know that, and you should know that you have to stay away at that time. No, I don't like Wanda. Wanda is not good for me. At least not for me. I don't know about others, but I didn't like Wanda. Joey, send me your truck. Let's see your truck. You have a better truck than me? Jayan, man, you impressed me yesterday. I looked at your Instagram. You do some nice work. You do very nice work. You have such a nice talent. I really like drawing a lot, but I never got, to work on that to be better on drawing. But I really like your work. Do you do for, if I would ask you for something, do you have like is that your job or you just do it for fun? Beitu, look at GU.
Bro, I just see it, man. Is that can you consider that as a fake out?
Yeah, the thing is we can't, because first of all the 4 hour is just a rejection.
Yeah.
At the 1 hour it wasn't really a good breakout, so we can say now it's making a fake out.
Yeah, Euro USD is same. It's not really moving there on the top. I don't know if we can take it or not. What do you think?
Yeah, we can't count this as a fake out.
What do you think on Euro USD stats?
Check. Yeah, I don't like, if it would close around here, like I said before, a candle like this would be good.
Crazy. Yeah, 1 more hour to wait. Euro GBP looks good to me, but I think a 4-hour break would be better because that's a major zone on Euro GBP. Otherwise, there is no trade for
Oh, we
me.
have a close. Let me check. EJ. Yeah, EJ got rejected again. See the 4 hour. Just a rejection. Nothing yet. EA. What about EA here? Do we have a trade here? Do we have a trade? Let's take a look here. Let's got this next zone. 40 pip range. Wow. Looks so small, but look, it's 40 pip range. I'm thinking about buys here actually on Euro AUD. It closed above. We have plenty of rejections. I think we can have some continuation, but let me check the 4-hour here or the daily, because I don't want to go against if the 4-hour is at the resistance. But see, it is a 4-hour resistance, but it closed above on the 1-hour. Check the daily. Yeah, daily is at resistance. So it's too risky. I'm skipping it. I don't like the daily. Interesting. USD CAD. See, USD CAD failed to break below here. If GU breaks down, can we think of a sell? Well, you can. Why not? You can, why not? Let's see. GU, where are you, GU? Yeah, we have a good zone here, actually. We've had plenty of rejections. So it makes sense if it breaks to have some continuation to the downside. But let's check the 4-hour. Too far. I think we don't have to go that far. But yeah, we can see some continuation to this next zone here. Some continuation to this next zone. Well, we'll see about that. I'm not really a fan of sells right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna take this.
There is nothing.
Yeah, there's some zones here on the daily which I don't like, so I'd rather wait for buys here. I skipped that trade because it was at a daily resistance, so that's why I skipped it. Costanza, yeah. We started with 20 people first. Streaming with only 20 people. There are some guys that were here since the beginning. Waiting. What about your CAD? What about your CAD? I don't know about your CAD. Right now, I think there's no trade here yet.
I really think that we might go to the downside on EU and GU. Couldn't really break.
Yeah, I mean, we can continue to the downside. Why not? We have the next level at this zone here. On 1 hour, we created a good level.
Said that was what I was wanting to say. My zone is at, like, my resistance support is at 1.3112. Is it too low? Because
112.
this is where the both wicks rejected.
112, but it's in the middle of candles. Why 112? This is where the candles are closing and rejecting. 180.
Yeah, I just put it there because of the wicks that rejected there, but you're right.
Yeah, let's see. This is the next level on 1 hour if it breaks this. But yeah, it's actually GU is very bullish. I wouldn't think about sells here. I'm not gonna take sells. I'm just gonna look for buys here. Even if it rejects, even if it closes below, I'm still gonna wait because GU is still bullish. Can be just a small pullback still, and still continue up. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm not thinking about sells. Let's see what else. What else? Do we have any current break and retest that's happening? Look at GJ. Is GJ gonna break this candle or not? We could have actually take sells on CAD JPY maybe, because this candle really was like a better confirmation. The way it got rejected and closed. The 4 hour now is gonna fill this wick probably. Very possible.
And discipline is so important. On GU, look at GU, look at EU.
Hello, what can I help you with? I might even start to work a call center from here. You know, just answer phone calls. Hello, how can I help? GBP cat, nothing. Your cat. I might consider taking buys on your cat, but only if it breaks this level. 1.5050. 1.55000. You want to buy Euro USD? Well, it's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit tricky to buy Euro USD because it's still in this consolidation box. We need a clean break above, then you can buy. But right now you have to wait. You need some patience because there's not a breakout yet. Wait for a breakout, then you can take it. There's nothing to check, guys, right now because we need 50 minutes until we have a candle close, and when we have a candle close we have a trade, or we don't have, depends if it breaks a zone or not. GJ is pushing down, maybe it's gonna break 135.650. If it breaks, we have a good range to the downside, which is around 20 pips. After 20 pips, we have 135.400. Once we break that, we have a good range to the downside, which is another 30 pips. Cuba, I didn't really understand your text there. You needed to put the text on caps, or I don't know. Forgot that I told a joke, then I forgot that people continued with that joke. I think I'm gonna play a game here because looks like we're not having that much.
Among Us.
Hmm?
Among Us.
No, Among Us. It's not good, Among Us.
Bro, I'm long on Euro TRY.
Euro, Turkish lira. Beitu,
Unbelievable.
it was one strange thing in Turkey. young people, not too many speak English,
Mm.
and I don't know why. Like I tried to get a taxi and I spoke English, and he just said, "Oh, I don't know, go away," and he drive away. I don't know why. Then an old man, the taxi came. He didn't know any English, and he still tried some. He still tried to understand me. Then we find a way with the translator, and it was easy. But it just was weird how they don't even try to do some. How do you lose your uh, customer? Yeah, how do you lose your customer just because you don't speak? I mean, there's plenty of ways to understand each other, but he didn't even try. And also on some uh, big centers, malls, they did the same. When you ask them something, they just disappeared right away.
Yeah, bro. The thing is, people in Turkey, and I think also in like Spain, Italy, a lot of them are lazy, you know?
Yeah.
So we have a kind of like lazy culture, and they don't want to like try anything big because they know if they don't get you, another Turkish citizen will take the taxi or whatever, And
Yeah.
I think that's the reason why the English educational level is unfortunately very low in Turkey. Not just English, also like in general, they are only learning to how do you call them? Um, hold on. They only learn from memory, They don't understand why they are learning it.
Oh yeah, yeah. They learn it by just hearing some same words over and over again.
Yeah, just replying the same thing.
Yeah.
That's also why probably the Turkish lira is at 10 euros right now, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's very, very low.
I have 10 euros in my pocket, it's 100 lira in Turkey.
Yeah. I expected things to be cheap this time that I went, but it was not a very big difference. The products or anything, it was still same.
Yeah, they adjusted.
Does your beard have an impact to the taxi driver perception? No. I was saying about the language. The beard doesn't matter. Everyone has a beard now. Except Beitu.
Yeah, bro. My beard, I don't have a beard. You can't count it as beard.
Do you want some? Can give you some.
I mean, I would like to see how it looks like.
But you're not a fan. You're not a big fan.
Yeah, but I'm not a big fan.
Some people are not a big fan. Like, I have no idea how I look without a beard because I forgot how I look without a beard. I have it for so long now, like since 9th grade. Like it's been years, at least like how many years? Almost like 8 years or 7 years. 7, 8 years since I have my beard, and I have no idea how I look without it. I mean, sometimes I like to cut it off just to see how I look, but like I'm afraid that I'm not gonna have the same after I shave it once. Okay, I'm afraid it's not gonna come the same beard.
Yeah, long time investment, bro. You invested a long time in your beard.
Yeah, I can't risk it now. I guess I'm gonna die without knowing how I look like without a beard.
But you do you do it by yourself or at the barber? Like adjust it and make it clean, like
No,
cutting.
once in a while, of course, at the barber, but not every day. I don't have time to go to a barber every day.
What a beautiful guy. So,
No, man. Beards are for men, for boys, for male people, for males. How to say? Like if you take a kid and you say, okay, draw a woman and or mother and father. So we're gonna draw the mother and we're gonna draw the father. How to they need something that makes them special, right? And their father should have a beard so they can have a small difference at least. But some people like it, some not. So it's just a thing that people prefer.
funny things happening, bro.
Anyone need account manager? Yes. Chef Chat Ali Koso. We need an account manager, man. Where were you before? Albo. I play CSGO in this monitor. Trust me, it is very nice. In a 49 inch, you can see everything. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna have to go today a little bit earlier. Have some stuff to do. If you forgive me, I'm gonna have to go. Unfortunately, we don't have anything right now happening.
We will get a good trade on GJ. Oh,
Yeah, hopefully, Cat. We'll give you update on the chart, on the chat, on the group. So don't worry. But for the YouTube guys, we'll see you Monday. For now, I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to go. Thanks everyone for today and for the whole week. It was a good week, right? Good week.
yes, very nice week.
Not that bad, but we still have some more some more time today. The day is long, it's only 10 a.m. So plenty of time. Plenty of time. So for now I'm gonna go. Have a nice day, guys. See you Monday. See you Monday. If you guys want to add me on Steam, I don't know what's my name there. Have this nick. Search me, maybe you'll find me. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy the weekend and see you Monday. Thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. GU, it's moving, yeah. So like I said before, I'm only gonna look for buys, but if we don't have any setup until NFP, I'm gonna stay away then. See you, have a nice day. Juma Mubarak, yes. We have Juma coming up also in 2 hours, no, 1 hour and a half. See you guys.